Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification, virus, like tabula ads or like the softwares from your Doogee phone Max. So at the start, if you see something like that in your web browser when trying to visit a site or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software and you can try to remove it by two ways: by the system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method, by the settings. In the second step, go to the apps and choose CL apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you have not recognized the name of it, just tap on the app like that and choose uninstall. Click OK and go to the app list again. Now in the second step, go to your web browser and choose storage and cache. Tap on the manage space and tap on the clear all data. Clear OK, tap on the OK, and now your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and choose the best app for you. Okay, in the apps we have to tap on the skip, close the ad again, and choose continuous free. Now tap on the green circle and we have to add a permission. So just go back to the app when you turn on the switcher and choose scan type. I'm always using the deep scan. And now after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares, viruses, malwares should be deleted from your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Luba, subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.